Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. This relates to Pepe specifically. To determine what is actually occurring and where we might be headed in the near future, we will be reviewing Pepe's charts. Just a quick reminder for everyone that nothing on this channel should be taken as financial advice. Whenever you decide to invest in cryptocurrencies, always conduct your own research and due diligence. Thus, as you are aware, June 24th, 2023 is a Saturday. Right now, we are at position 154. We still have 5 zeros or so before the price, which has decreased by roughly 7.6% over the past 24 hours in relation to USD but is still up. I apologize. In comparison to the previous 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 6% as well. However, if we examine its market capitalization, which is currently resting at $655.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume, which is presently sitting at $364.1 million, the question that may be on everyone's mind is, what precisely is next and what is happening with the price? Therefore, that is what we will talk about. However, let's first take a look at the number of Twitter followers, guys. 333.6k subscribers. Over the past day, we have grown once more. Pepe's Twitter is gaining 10,000 new followers, which is a lot. However, there are 124,000 holders if we consider the number of its holders. And we've been discussing this on my channel for the past 2 weeks, and it's starting to bear fruit. And I'm not at least surprised by it. Recall what I mentioned about Pepe. Pepe, in my opinion, is the following Shiba Inu, and it's going to get a lot more attention, especially once the retail FOMO enters the picture, which we haven't even seen yet. You haven't even witnessed 10% of that taking place. After the Bitcoin event, things can potentially flare up very quickly right now. And when Pepe is pushed up 100% over the course of a week, I honestly think it will shock a lot of people, as it has already surprised a lot of people in the past week. And it demonstrates how quickly the cryptocurrency markets may change. And I'm not at all surprised by the rise in the holder count. But let's get to the cost right away. We'll talk about what's going on right now and where we might be headed in the near future. Therefore, it is encouraging to observe that the entire volume is still very high given its market size of $645.7 million. What precisely happens next then? So gorgeous. I adore what I'm observing. You did hear that right, I assure you. Right now, I really, truly like what I'm seeing. You might now ask, are you crazy? What makes you like it? What makes you like it? We're falling. But see how this white support line is there to help us. And when we were breaking upward on the 22nd, just 2 days earlier, the support line was rising in our wave. We received some rejections from that, but this time it's holding, and we're making higher highs and higher lows, which indicates that we're in an upward trend. And this is precisely what you want to happen, particularly when you overcome a significant amount of resistance. You want that opposition to change into backing. You can currently verify this for yourself. Since breaking oops we have. Sorry, but it isn't the Fibonacci retracement. Go back now. We're there. Look, we've already received some support here, and this is acting as another level of support. And it's gorgeous. Look at this, I adore seeing that. Let's examine this. If you purchase some Pepe around the pricing we discussed on June 5th below that level of resistance, you are currently in the black. You are still up 83% even after a cooling off period and some consolidation. 83%. What does this demonstrate? In this market, coins, especially the touted ones, might rise quickly. As you can see, I'm not overly excited, and at this point, I'm even unable to speak. However, if we bring it from that range and look at it from its monthly high, which is 176, we notice a slight cooling off of 13.3%. Absolutely fine. A 13% retracement is just fine after an 83% surge, or I should say, cool off. And keep in mind that the price of this Bitcoin is also seeing a slight decline, which affects all the other cryptocurrencies, not just Pepe. I'll demonstrate right now. Currently, and for the past 24 hours, all cryptocurrencies are down. You people are able to verify this for themselves. Naturally, you'll respond, "Oh, there's Kawa." That's done. I'm referring to the vast majority of the coins that were impacted by the retracement of the BTC price. Keep in mind that dominance is getting close to 52%. So, when inspecting the coins you're holding, these are some things you should be paying attention to. You also need to understand how they relate to Bitcoin. How does power work? When performing an analytical analysis on the price, you must use these crucial indexes. I apologize for not being able to speak right now. I am just too excited, you see, guys. In any case, this is what I'm trying to visualize for Pepe right now. Therefore, if we were to retest this level of support, I would like to see a bounce and for this range to support me. And this is precisely what we want to be doing because, well, we do have support that has been built up since May that is strengthening this level for the price of Pepe and also acting as a level of support. However, it's incredibly pleasant to observe what it's doing at the moment. Of course, if Bitcoin were to change for the better, I would also like what it is doing. After reaching a new yearly high, Bitcoin is undoubtedly stabilizing. And I believe that the main reason Pepe is even down at this time is due to the fact that dominance in Bitcoin is quite high and the price is experiencing a slight cool-off. However, consolidation above this support line is what we're looking for. I want to see that take place. Everyone should be ready for Pepe to start reaching some levels around here if Bitcoin were to start trending in a positive direction and start setting new records. Of course, $20.67 remains the primary goal. And if I use the measurement device for you people, that move is almost 50%. Therefore, Pepe receives 34.43% of the vote. And that can occur more quickly than most people realize. That would put Pepe, in my opinion, just above or somewhat close to the $1 billion mark. That is therefore insane. Of course, I anticipate being turned down. Since it is a huge level of resistance for the price of Pepe, when we reach there, we might observe a slight cool-off. However, things will start to appear truly insane once we escape from there, people. The CME futures are closed today because it is the weekend, and manipulation can happen in the cryptocurrency arena. But on the other hand, if you are sitting on significant profits and do not want to lose money in the event that Bitcoin were to crash like mad whales. Therefore, if you want to simply avoid having your profits erased, set up a stop-loss order. Put a stop-loss in if you are trading on an exchange. Put a stop-loss around this area if you think it's okay for the price to decline to this level, but not below that. Therefore, your profits are preserved in the event that the price falls below that. You can therefore buy it when the prices do decrease. The best risk management strategy you could implement is that. However, these are some of the actions that you might anticipate when Bitcoin has a slight cooling off. And that's just what we're witnessing. Therefore, the following few hours could be crucial. But I appreciate that the helpline did offer some sort of assistance to us 5 separate occasions. However, that concludes my analysis. Naturally, I'll keep you guys informed if anything essential occurs, but please share your comments with me in the section below. What do you believe is going on with Pepe, and where do you think the prices will be at the end of the month? The month of July will be here very, very soon. I want to know where you think the prices are headed, so please share. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I sincerely appreciate your support. And I wish you a wonderful weekend.